How to use one WhatsApp account in two phones with the same phone number. Yes, it is possible to use one WhatsApp account on two phones using the companion mode feature. So for that, you may just head over and install WhatsApp Messenger on both of your devices and ensure both of the phones have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Once it is done, you can tap on open and open up the application on your particular device on your primary phone first. Once you open it up on your primary phone first, you may tap on the three dot the more options and from the given options, look out for linked devices. And once you open it up, look out for link a device. And once you go ahead and tap on it, there you will be getting a scan QR code. So you just need to go ahead and enter up the QR code, like choose the QR code available from there. Scan the QR code that appears on your secondary phone. On your secondary phone, also, you should follow the same step. Head over the section, and on your primary phone, you will be finding a scanner. You just need to go ahead and scan the QR code on your secondary phone. After that, if you don't have access to the primary, and then your one WhatsApp account will be connected within two phones. But if you don't have access to the primary phone, you can use the link via phone number. There will be another option if you do not find link a device option. After that, you can just go ahead and use that feature and enter the code on the secondary phone to complete the linking process, and that's it. And the important considerations are that you will be needed to log in into your primary phone at least once every 14 days to keep the linked devices connected. Updates, status, updates, and channels may not be fully accessible in the secondary phone. So therefore, you may follow up the steps in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.